problems with that?
Mm.
Okay, tilt your head back towards me. Lift up. Good with that. Turn your head to the left as far as you can. And to the right. And back to the middle. A little stiff in there.
Yeah,
Any
stiff.
pain?
A little bit.
Not much. More stiff than anything?
Mhm.
Okay. Just tilt your head to the left. A little pressure there. And to the right. Pressure. Any problems with that?
No.
Okay.